Digital Story by Richard Molinsky, To Infinity and Beyond. In the beginning, man was looking to the stars, wondering what was out there. One of the first notable people that would do this would be the Greeks. They were the first to truly map and to look at the stars and the sky. Then, many hundred years later, one man named Galileo Galilei, trying to further his understanding of the universe, improved the design of the telescope. His contributions to the observational astronomy include telescopic confirmation that the phases of Venus existed. And he also discovered 4 of the largest satellites of Jupiter, thus named the Galilean moons in his honor. The observations of analysis of sunspots to working on applied sciences and technology. He even worked with the military to improve the military compass, amongst other instruments. From that moment on, mankind knew that there was just more up there, because they could now see it, and exploration of space seemed only tangible. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, otherwise known as NASA, led by the mission team that were there, were commissioned by President John F. Kennedy to put a man on the moon. One of the first steps along with this was John Glenn, who was a former United States Marine Corps pilot, and he was the first to orbit the Earth and one of the 3 first Americans in space. He also ended up becoming a U.S. Senator for Ohio. The Apollo 11 space flight landed the first humans, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin, on the Earth's moon on July 20th, 1969. Continuing to grow and to continue to research new ideas and new opinions, NASA continued development and developed a returnable, reusable space vehicle known as the Space Shuttle. This combined rocket launch, orbital spacecraft, and re-entry space plane is one of a handful of shuttles that were developed, which first test flights were done in 1981, leading to operational flights in 1982. More than 130 missions were flown between 1981 and 2011 from the Kennedy Space Center out of Florida, Cape Canaveral. Further developments of the Hubble telescope. And first, the Hubble telescope didn't work, but one of the missions for one of the space shuttles was to go up and replace the lenses on the Hubble telescope. And since then, we've gotten some of the most miraculous and beautiful images known to mankind. In 2011, President Obama and his administration killed the space shuttle program instead of repurposing the space shuttles and extending the program for further years. The mentality of the administration was to push things towards private industry and allow private industry to develop new rockets and capsules, and the government would no longer be involved in the only avenues of spaceflight. Oddly enough, this is the only thing that the president and his administration has decided to privatize during his tenure as President of the United States. Going forward, we hope that there certainly is an administration change and there is a mentality change to continue to further our exploits into space. And hopefully we can reinvigorate our science program and get more individuals involved in science and technology, and once again reclaim the United States' superiority in space exploration. Thank you, and have a good day.